so now today, I just want to give you a little talk about mudra. Mudra is this gesture, okay? So sometimes some postures has mudra. You don't have to, but sometimes, it's like instruction. You have a mudra. So I want to tell you what it is. And there's a little bit more to this, but really just take it as a hand gesture, okay? And this is not the only mudra. So there are other mudras. So if you've seen these, I'm sure everybody's seen some Buddha statue. Some of them may have something hand like this. Some of them have hand like this. Okay, so I think kind of one of them is giving out the compassion. So there are kind of different meanings to the hand gesture. So this is called Jnana Mudra. So that's wisdom. Okay, so but it doesn't mean you get wisdom. This is a representation of Hindu or yogic wisdom. So I'm just going to explain about it. So these three fingers, they represent something called gunas. So three gunas. And gunas are qualities of human existence. So three qualities affect every human being. One is called sattva, which is good quality. And second, it's called rajas, which is sort of energetic, passionate quality. So it can be bad, like a violence or aggression, or it can be good, like passion or enthusiasm. And third one is tamas, which is bad quality. So everybody have these in a different proportion at different times. Okay, so that's quite maybe easy to accept. Then these two, one is called Brahman, not called, one represents Brahman, one represents Atman. So Brahman is, you can say God, but it's not like, it's very, very different from Christian God. It's not like it's not this God doesn't have personality. It doesn't have feelings or emotions. It doesn't even think. So it's more like universal energy, universal force. So it's everything. So everything exists because of this power of Brahman. So all the force, energy behind all the every existence, every single being. So that's Brahman. So it's omnipotent, omnipresent. Then the other one, last one, Atman, is your soul. Okay? Not your mind, but soul, something really deep. So, in the Eastern philosophy, they believe in reincarnation. So soul is the one which reincarnate life after life. So if you bring Brahma, these two fingers, thumb and index finger together, this is representing that Brahman oneness of Brahman and your soul. So your soul is one with all the universal force, separate, untouched by the three quality of human existence. So that is the meaning of this mudra, and that's why it's called Jnana Mudra, wisdom. The wisdom, this is the wisdom of philosophy behind. Okay, and now we do. Next week we have a test.